So this is how you organise a scrap collection from a third party. So this is done if the van is out of action or if it's outside the van's range or lift them out or whatever. So open up a normal supplier part list just like you would. Um, Lead acid recycle. We know it's 100,000 kilograms because it's a ton. Click recycle consignment just like usual, and then go to your pencil. Check the analysis tab. Now I've already filled this in already, so you got your consignment note code, so your 6-letter 5 number, and I've just done 1st of the 6th 20. SIC code is mobility, and I can tell that we are bank transferring due to these details here and checking previous orders, so that can remain unticked. I can save that, make sure the address is right, which it is. Save that. Go to shipping, press the plus, goods inwards, and then just type in COU, change battery, come off that, purchase order, save it, go on to hazard alt layout path, go on that, just put anything in there if need be. And then when that pops up, I've already pre-populated an email here. Just drag this over. So you want, at the moment, the contact, this might change, but this, as it is right now, the best person to talk to is Rachel at Mitchells and Mansfield. Mitchells do have their own purchasing account, so you can find all the details on there of any information that you might need. Make sure that you stamp it saying hazardous waste collection there and mention it in the email as well. I've got a pre-populated signature, so it saves me a lot of time. And all I'm basically saying is, have the collection above. We'll be needing an empty bin for Mitchells to take down as they'll be taking away the full bin. So this you might need to delete as and when, but 9 times out of 10, if it's going through a third party, they will have a scrap bin. But when you're on the phone with them, it's always worth checking. Always, even though they do next day, again, it's important to confirm the date of pickup from their premises so you can give them the heads up. And then after that, just send it. And Rachel gets back to you very quickly and you can tell the customer. That's it.